Almost 20 years ago, the integrated kindergarten phase was introduced at the DSJ. The aim was to further open doors to non-German speaking families. Learners of the EK-Phase enjoy a unique and comprehensive language program. In kindergarten and in preschool, the learners will visit compulsory support lessons in the form of workshops. Extramural activities such as cooking and baking, sports games, music and drama offer the learners extracurricular opportunities to apply and reinforce their acquired German language skills. The EK-Phase aims to familiarize learners from non-German speaking homes with the German language during both years of their preschool education to such a degree that they will be able to learn reading and writing and to also follow lessons taught in German with learners who speak German as a home language. The EK-Phase significantly supports the character of cultural encounter of our school.